Sing happy birthday.
We forgot the Miss Krista. We forgot the balloons. When should we do the balloons?
They're for the party. Annabelle, what are you eating? A cupcake. That's your cake. Is it your birthday?
A birthday.
Sing happy birthday. Happy birthday to Annabelle. Is today your birthday? How old are you? You're what? You're Annabelle. How old are you, Annabelle? Jack. Say, I'm 2. Is that cake good?
Yes. Yes. Yes.